Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can create a Google Drive link to share files with others. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to create a Google Drive link to share files with others, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, you will need to create a Google Drive folder, since that's where the files we want to share will be stored. So to do that, just click this new button right here at the top left corner. And then select the new folder option. After selecting it, you can now put the name that you want for your folder, so just enter whatever you like. And once you're done entering your folder name, you can now click the Create button. And after clicking it, your folder will now be created. So now that we have the folder, next, we will need to upload the files that we want to share to the folder, so just double-click it to open. And once you've opened the folder, just click the New button once again to upload. And then select the File Upload option, though you can also select this Folder Upload option if what you want to share is a whole folder from your device. But in my case, I just want to share some files, so I will just select this. And after that, you will now be directed to your File Explorer, so you can now find and select all the files you want to share. And once you're done selecting all the files, you can now click the Open button to upload it to your Drive folder. And after clicking it, your files will now start uploading, so just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, your folder will now have all the files that you will share, so for the last step is to copy the link of this folder so you can start sharing it with others. So to copy the link, just click the folder's name right here. And then select the Share option. And after clicking it, there it is guys. You will now be able to see the Copy Link button right here. Just go and click it. And once you've copied the link, it's done. Congratulations. You can now just send the link to whoever you like, and then they will be able to open this Google Drive folder using the link, and they will see all the files you've uploaded to the folder. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.